Welcome to today's review, where we reveal the top 5 smart home security cameras of 2025, devices that redefine safety with AI precision, smart alerts, and unmatched clarity. Whether for peace of mind or ultimate protection, these cameras deliver beyond expectations. Be sure to watch until the end for our number 1 choice, it may surprise you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The WiFi V4, an affordable smart security camera that packs premium features. Priced around $40 in the USA and £35 in the UK, it offers incredible value. Stay tuned, you'll be surprised at just how much this tiny camera can do. Crystal clear video. The WiFi V4 delivers 2.5K QHD resolution with HDR, providing sharp and detailed footage both day and night. Its color night vision ensures every corner is visible, even in low light, making it perfect for monitoring your home with clarity usually reserved for higher-end cameras. AI motion detection. Equipped with AI-powered smart detection, it can identify people, pets, and vehicles. This reduces false alerts and sends only relevant notifications, keeping you informed without overwhelming your phone with unnecessary updates. Two-way audio. The built-in microphone and speaker allow real-time communication via the Wise app. You can greet guests, talk to family, or deter intruders instantly, adding convenience and an extra layer of security. Flexible setup and storage. Installation is simple, with a wire-free design. You can store footage locally via a microSD card or choose affordable cloud storage, giving flexibility for any home setup. Conclusion. The WiFi V4 combines AI, crisp video, and ease of use at an unbeatable price. For UK and USA users seeking reliable home security, it's an excellent choice. Number 4. The Google Nest Cam Battery, a wireless smart security camera offering flexibility and high-quality monitoring. Priced around $180 in the USA and £160 in the UK, it delivers premium features without complicated installation. Stay tuned, you'll be impressed by what this camera can do. HD video quality. The Nest Cam captures 1080p HD video with HDR, providing clear and detailed footage day or night. Its color night vision ensures excellent visibility in low light conditions, giving peace of mind and reliable monitoring for your home or outdoor spaces. Battery-powered flexibility. With a rechargeable battery, it allows easy, cable-free installation anywhere indoors or outdoors. You can reposition it anytime, ideal for renters or homeowners wanting a versatile security solution without messy wires. Smart motion detection. Using AI-based detection, the camera differentiates people, animals, and vehicles. This reduces false alerts and ensures you only get notifications that truly matter, keeping you informed without unnecessary interruptions. Two-way audio. The built-in microphone and speaker let you communicate in real time via the Google Home app. You can greet visitors, interact with family, or warn intruders instantly, adding convenience and enhanced security. Storage options. Footage is stored with free event-based recording or extended storage via Nest Aware subscription, offering flexibility for any household and ensuring you never miss critical events. Conclusion. The Google Nest Cam Battery combines smart AI, wireless convenience, and reliable video at a competitive price. For UK and USA users seeking flexible, high-quality home security, it's a standout choice. Number 3. The Arlo Pro 5S 2K Spotlight Camera, a premium security device that blends performance, style, and intelligence. Priced around $250 in the USA and £220 in the UK, it delivers features designed for next-level protection. Stay tuned, you'll be amazed at what this camera offers. Crisp 2K HDR video. The Arlo Pro 5S captures footage in 2K HDR quality, offering more detail than standard 1080p cameras. Whether it's daytime brightness or low-light situations, the clarity is exceptional. Combined with its spotlight and color night vision, you'll always see every detail clearly, even in the darkest corners of your property. Smart motion detection. Equipped with advanced AI technology, the camera distinguishes between people, vehicles, animals, and packages. This ensures you receive accurate notifications, not false alarms. With customizable activity zones, you control exactly what triggers alerts, giving peace of mind without constant interruptions. Two-way audio and siren. The Arlo Pro 5S includes two-way audio, allowing you to talk to visitors or deter intruders instantly. Plus, its built-in siren can be triggered manually or automatically, adding an extra layer of active security. It's a practical tool for both communication and protection. Flexible installation and storage. With a wire-free design and rechargeable battery, installation is quick and flexible, perfect for renters or homeowners. Storage options include Arlo Secure Cloud plans or local storage via base station. This flexibility means you can customize security based on your needs and budget. Conclusion. The Arlo Pro 5S 2K Spotlight camera combines crystal clear video, smart detection, and active deterrence in one sleek package. Though priced higher than budget models, its features justify every penny. For anyone in the UK, USA, or Europe seeking premium home security, the Arlo Pro 5S is a standout choice. Number 2. The Eufy Cam 3, a premium wireless security camera that combines long battery life, smart features, and crisp video. Priced around $350 in the USA and £320 in the UK, it offers high-end performance without monthly fees. Stay tuned, you'll be impressed by what it can do. Crystal clear video. The Eufy Cam 3 records in 2K resolution with HDR, providing sharp, vibrant footage day or night. Its color night vision ensures that even in low-light conditions, you'll capture every detail clearly. This level of clarity is remarkable for a wireless camera. Smart AI detection. Equipped with AI motion detection, it distinguishes between people, animals, and vehicles. This reduces false alerts and ensures you receive only meaningful notifications, making your security system smarter and more reliable. Two-way audio. The built-in microphone and speaker allow real-time communication through the Eufy app. Whether greeting visitors or warning intruders, two-way audio adds convenience and an extra layer of protection. Easy setup and storage. Installation is simple with a wire-free design, perfect for any home. Storage is flexible, choose local storage with no monthly fees or optional cloud services for extended recording. Conclusion. The Eufy Cam 3 combines smart AI, crisp 2K video, and flexible installation at a competitive price. For UK and USA homeowners seeking reliable, fee-free home security, it's a top choice. Number 1. The Acura Camera Hub G5 Pro, a smart home security hub that combines advanced camera features with home automation. Priced around $180 in the USA and £160 in the UK, it offers high-tech functionality at an affordable price. Stay tuned, you'll be impressed by its capabilities. High-resolution video. The Acura G5 Pro records in 2K HD resolution, ensuring sharp, clear footage day or night. With color night vision, you won't miss a single detail, even in low-light conditions. This makes it ideal for monitoring entrances, living spaces, or outdoor areas with complete clarity. AI-powered detection. Equipped with intelligent motion detection, it can differentiate people, pets, and objects. This reduces false alerts and delivers only meaningful notifications, keeping you informed without overwhelming your phone with unnecessary alerts. Two-way communication. With built-in microphone and speaker, the camera allows real-time communication through the Acura Home app. You can greet visitors, interact with family members, or even deter intruders instantly. Hub and smart home integration. Beyond security, the G5 Pro doubles as a smart home hub, connecting devices like sensors, lights, and alarms. It supports remote control, automations, and integration with Alexa, HomeKit, and Google Assistant for seamless smart home management. Conclusion. The Acura Camera Hub G5 Pro combines crisp video, AI detection, and smart home capabilities at a competitive price. For UK and USA users seeking security and home automation in one device, it's a must-have solution.